What is up, guys? I got a hold of the brand new iPhone 14 Pro, and today I'm going to show you the absolute easiest way on how to shoot a hyperlapse with this bad boy. Don't worry, you don't need the latest iPhone model. It works literally the same on older devices. Now, first things first, let's recap what a hyperlapse is. It's basically a time lapse that has a camera position that is not static but moving forward and gives an otherwise boring video an awesome dynamic element because one, time is passing very rapidly, and two, you can make an otherwise static subject like a building or something look a lot more interesting. Sweet. Now, before you start shooting, you need to change one single setting on your iPhone, and that is enabling the grid lines in the menu. So just go to Settings, Camera, and then toggle where it says Grid. That will help you as a visual reference and keep your hyperlapse nice and centered. Alright, next you want to choose a subject to shoot. I recommend picking a landmark and keeping that nice and centered in the middle of the frame. Then just enable the time-lapse functionality, hold your phone very steady with both hands, and then move forward at a constant speed. And that is very important because otherwise the cloud movement and so on might look a little bit weird. Now, once you hit the end point, then just stop your recording and your iPhone will synthesize a time-lapse clip. If it looks a little bit too shaky, then just repeat until you're happy with the result, and you might still end up with a very subtle shake, but no problem. In editing software like Premiere Pro, you can apply a simple effect called warp stabilizer that will smooth things out for you. Just make sure you don't use the function too aggressively, just plug in a low number like 5 or 10 and then work your way up until it looks pleasing. And here you go, these were my tips on how to shoot an easy hyperlapse with your iPhone. If you found this useful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to hang out here on the channel, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in one of the next videos. Peace!